Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download genuine Windows 10 ISO file from Microsoft website. By this method there is no need for a USB drive to download Windows 10. Let's get started. Firstly, open the browser and search for Windows 10 ISO. Click on Microsoft's official website that pops up in the search results. Once the website loads up completely, right-click on the page and pick Inspect. A new web interface appears. Click on Toggle Device Emulation. This interface supports many different devices such as smartphones and tablets. To get the Windows file, you need to choose one of these device views. For this demo, I'm picking a Galaxy A71 smartphone. After that, hit the refresh button on your browser and close that Inspect view. As you can see, Windows 10 latest version is ready to download. Select Edition of Windows and click on Confirm. Now choose the language you want and click on Confirm. Windows 10 comes in two versions. Pick either the 32-bit or 64-bit version, choose what you want and move ahead. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tips and tutorials.